Okay, so it's important that we stay away from the bus lane. As a driver, if we go into that lane, you'll get the ticket. So we're following the road ahead. We're then going to turn left and follow the signs for the motorway. So remember what we discussed. When you see the break in the road on the left, you then start your routine. We can see it there where the double solid line finishes. Start your routine, but don't go into the lane until you go over, until that solid line finishes. Now look in your left blind spot and then come into the left lane. Straighten up and turn when it's safe. Keep your signal on. Turn when you're ready. That's fine. Stay in the centre of your lane. Now we're not worried about anyone coming from the opposite side, so you can make your turn, because we know this is a one-way road. We're then turning left at the next traffic lights. So after the crossing we get to a set of traffic lights, and we have what they call a left filter.
Oh yeah, the one I was going into earlier.
Yes, yeah. But you didn't go into it, so it's not an issue. Let it go, man. No problem. As we go into the left filter, we have a give way. So look to your right, then go if you're ready. And go if it's safe. Look to your right.
Okay.
That's fine.